Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're continuing our build on our Corvette. We basically got it off the frame machine, rinsed it off real quick, all that, sanding dust and stuff. We don't want all that. So basically now the game plan is get this thing painted, and that's gonna be awesome. So first we gotta do all the prep work. So we need to sand the fender, we need to sand the bumper, the front bumper, rear bumper, get all the parts prepped for paint. So a lot of work ahead of us, but it shouldn't be too bad. Let's go knock it out and get it done. All right, so this is our new fender that's already been jammed out and actually painted, but we're gonna go ahead and block it again, so make sure everything matches with our other body panels. Because basically silver's a really rough color and you're gonna see it, so let's go ahead and get it blocked down as well. A little piece right here, gonna go ahead and get that scuffed up as well, but I'm gonna try to get the mirror off, detrim it, and be easier to paint. Rear bumper's looking much better already, but we definitely need to basically get that sanded. Probably gonna take my taillights out just in case, less taping and stuff like that. But yeah, some work ahead of us. So here's my front bumper. Basically need to take this off without damaging the bumper, so it's gonna be a little tricky. I might get the heat gun, try that out, see if that works. And then also some more sanding to do. But definitely salvage that bumper, it's looking great. Interesting. There we go. Got this one blocked down again. It's gonna look real good and match the other panels. Front bumper looking good. Got all that stuff off. Now I could go ahead and sand this and scuff the rest of it.
All right, so there we go. We finally got the car in the paint booth. We got it wiped down a little bit, and then we pretty much taped it up. We got this fender on. We kind of saw the gaps as close as we could really quick. But yeah, it's looking good. So we're gonna wax and grease, and then we're gonna tack cloth and start putting the silver down. So we do have a blender we have to do when we get closer, because we don't need the whole, especially by the hood. We're gonna try to put some of the blender, and especially in the back with a bumper. I mean, a lot of paint's not gonna go on there, but let's just get straight to it.
look at that, guys, for sure. What a difference having the fender on with the right color, just having it solid like that. Wow. And honestly, it was what, a couple days ago, this thing was up north in the snow and wrecked. But hey, we could do all things right. Come on, that's the verse right there. So we got it together. It's looking fantastic. Obviously, we still know we have to finish our alignment. We're reading all your comments saying that, hey, you can't do an alignment with a bent rim. We know, but we just wanted to get up there to see if there's any other issues. We ordered a new rim, new tires gonna come in. Basically, once this thing is set and it's secure, we'll put the new rim on there, finalize everything, and then recheck the alignment before we go on the road. 100%. A lot of things we do, guys, off camera, but hey, reading your comments, want to give you some feedback. We appreciate it, guys. We appreciate all your feedback on it and we're, interaction on it. It feels like you're part of this build, this experience of buying a wrecked Corvette, which honestly wasn't too wrecked, but hey, there's a lot of cars like that. So I heard a lot of people hit fender benders, and that's a lot of opportunity for if you're interested in doing one. It's definitely possible, but man, looking so good. Honestly, really excited about this build, just to get it on the road and kind of daily it for a while. We usually do sell our projects after, that's kind of what we do, but definitely gonna test it out and enjoy it while we can. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. All right, guys, and just like that, the car is painted and looking amazing. I definitely love the color now and how it matches everywhere. Wow, so clean. I'm actually really excited to get this thing on the road. Like I said, never actually owned a Corvette before. We're not really Corvette guys, but we're learning. It's a process for all of us, but hey, definitely excited about it. There's not too much left. Basically now, just assemble everything. But that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. We're gonna get this thing put together and on the road really soon, and we actually have more builds coming. We have some exciting projects, some really big projects, some small projects, but yeah, it's coming. We're not stopping. We're popping videos out hopefully every day. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.